Hi guys! So I'm answering another question about your natural beaded rose hair extensions. One thing that people ask me is, okay, so I have extensions in my hair. Can I style it? Can I brush it? All that kind of stuff. So I've already told you how to wash and condition it. What you want to do after you get out of the shower is gently towel dry. You want to spray in a leave-in, a light detangling spray. I use the Moroccan Oil Protect and Prevent spray, whatever that is. You don't need a ton of product, just enough to kind of grease the wheels. And then you can use a wet brush. This is for light extensions only. This is my working brush. So just classic wet brush. When you get your extensions in, I will be giving you a little take-home kit with a brush. But so you're gonna start by brushing from the bottom up. Just like if you have long hair, I know some of you don't have long hair, so this is how you do it. You start from the bottom and you work your way gently up. Now, when you get up here, you need to brush your extensions, otherwise they're gonna get matted and gross, and then you're gonna be like, whoa, Lindsay, I don't know what I'm doing. I'll be like, yes, let's talk about this. So when you get up to where your wefts are, you're gonna gently hold on to your scalp area where the weft is. Like, they're seamless, you can't really tell they're there, but if you're in there trying to feel it, you're gonna know where I'm talking about. So you're gonna gently hold where that weft is, and you're going to get in there and brush that down. Don't just grab and rip. You wanna kind of work that down and then get the rest of those knots out. And then you're gonna rough dry your hair about 80 to 95% dry, which is how I usually do your blowout anyway. You know, I just use my hands. I don't ever touch it with a brush. This is not considered a brush. This is a detangler, so don't get confused. But I want your hair almost 100% dry, just like I do it when you don't have your NBR in. And then at the last, when it's just slightly a little bit damp and you want to start smoothing it, creating a little bit more bend and shape, then you can use a round brush. Or you can just let it go. You know, after you get it rough dried, let it dry, and then you can start smoothing it out with your iron. Remember to run the heat over the extension hair to warm it up a little bit before you start curling or straightening. So that is the answer to how do I brush my hair with NBR, okay? So stay tuned, I'm gonna be answering lots more questions, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.